Hi guys, good morning. Look at this. It's the time here is 6:26, but it's a bit dark in the morning like this in here. When morning time it's a bit dark when it's winter time, but when it's summertime, sunshine. Oh, see. What a miracle. It's a miracle. What God's create for us. Stay blessed, everyone. My goodness me, it's getting cold. I think it's gonna be cold next week again. Stay safe, yes. Always wear your coat. God bless.